There's so many pieces. So how do parents take all of that? How do they even start to say, okay, I've got this. How do I break this down and really get ready to like walk into that meeting feeling like they can own it?
I don't have a magic answer, but again, I would just say trying to just go in as prepared as possible, and really, if you have someone to talk to before you go into the meeting, take advantage of that, whether it's a friend who's been through it or just a friend that you can confide in, or an advocate. Getting answers. You know, I can't tell you how many clients I have that are just like, this is too much, just help me. And then I give them feedback and they're like, I feel so much better. Sometimes it's just talking it through and getting people's input is really what puts parents at ease, and just knowing that someone's in there with them. You know, if you're really anxious about it, bring someone with you. Again, whether it's your best friend, they don't even have to speak, but just having a body with you sometimes helps you feel a little more at ease. But really getting a copy of that draft IEP is really critical, comparing it to the progress on goals from the previous IEP before that, again, to make sure things aren't just being carried over. Writing down any of your questions. Again, I highly recommend trying to do it in an organized fashion so you know when to expect that to come up. And then if it doesn't come up, you can say, wait a minute, we already went over goals and you didn't go over this. If there's words within the documents that are confusing, that you don't understand, there's acronyms that you don't understand, just reaching out, trying to get that information. And if you're not able to beforehand, ask those questions in the meeting. You have the right to do that. And I know it can be overwhelming, especially if you feel like there's so many of them and, you know, one or two of you, but it's your right, and you're not the only one. Like, those are valid questions. There's no, you know, unsmart question. Take advantage of that time and hold them accountable. It's their job.